Hi, I'm Alec Greenberg with Wearwell. I'm a technical sales representative, and today we're here to talk about 24/7 LockSafe. 24/7 LockSafe by Wearwell was re-engineered with a positive interlock that actually snaps together and doesn't easily release like our competitor's version, hence the name LockSafe. Now, Wearwell is the only manufacturer with this type of interlock technology that actually snaps together with a snap versus just laying together with a nub or a core-style connection. Test it for yourself. Request a sample of the 24/7 LockSafe and a sample from another supplier and see which ones you think will hold together during your shift. 24/7 LockSafe is incredibly economical compared to other ergonomic floor solutions. Price per square foot tends to be about 30 to 50% lower on average than other types of ergonomic floors. So don't skip over 24/7 LockSafe as a viable solution for larger floor projects and if you get sticker shock from other types of ergonomic floors. 24/7 LockSafe has a universal connection system that lets all versions work together. That means they can be used together, interchanged, and reassembled. Versions of 24/7 LockSafe include grease-resistant rubber for general and wet operations, nitrile rubber for petroleum-based fluids in very greasy areas, gridded versions for extra traction, drainage versions for airflow and liquid to pass through, as well as solid and open ESD versions. And see the new 24/7 LockSafe Grade A for food processing. All will be linked in the description below.